Bear is a little bit more brief. You can see it's a little bit less complex, but it's in essence is the same. I mean, I wouldn't say space is better than bear. I would say use whatever you like the most. Practice which both. It's easy to give you structures. We will be sharing with you some of the prompts that we use in engineering for manufacturers. If you follow us on LinkedIn, you can always get the daily prompt, and we have a structure how we build it. But again, there is no favorites here. It's whatever you think is nice. So let's get into bear. We're talking about BEAR stands for brief, exact, audience, and reason. Brief, the same thing, be concise. Exact is providing very specific context and be concise and to the point. If you are vague and ambiguous, you're going to get a similar type of answer. The audience, if you notice, this is a common factor. It's really important to tell generative AI, this answer is for me, this answer is for my boss, this answer is for a very experienced person, this answer is for a less experienced or a junior person. It will help you a lot. Try it, you will see, and we'll do some exercises. And reason, in this case, reason is similar to context. I would say it's the same. So this is just a little bit brief prompt guide, question guide, but it will work the same way. Again, whatever you think is easier and you can remember better, recall better. So it's really giving you a couple, so you can always think about bear, think about space, and try to remember that the audience, the context, the specificity, and the reason is important.